So now it's already cured. What are we going to use? A piece of foam. This is the kind of piece, little piece that bring inside the package, like that. This is 180. Sandpaper 180. It's almost the same thing. And this one I don't know what it is, but for finish I was going to use 1600. So let's start. Remove. This was the piece that we removed. Look nice. Let's use this one before. It's a lot of job to do. Okay. So it's in the bottom. It's gonna have to be perfect, not for me. The water. Let's go with 600. The rest lies around, and we're going to remove it like that. It doesn't affect me. Right here. This one. It's moving. Anyway, the more important here, it's very well filled up. This one, it doesn't matter around here, because if it's filled up, no, we're going to affect my job right here. That is the one. That is important for me. Yeah, if I continue, I can remove with sand, all this around. So this is it. If you want to finish well done the job, don't be scared to come in to the procarbon. Let me see if I have it here. I think I lost it, because this is a painter. So what are you doing? You are going to ask for help to artificial intelligence. You take a picture of the painter painting, you send to her and you ask her that match the exactly white color that I can use here in any shop for cars. So I will going to ask him later, match me with a Canadian Tire here, and they were going to give me exactly what is the can I was going to use it. And that's it, guys. Look at how beautiful, amazing, ready to rock.